even though gold had gone sort of sideways and started ticking up, gold miners had done very, very poorly come, end of 2000. It was like, that was a big drop there. We just don't know, folks. We don't know how the market's going to react to it. But if you do look on a forward earnings estimates, gold miners are very, very historically very, very cheap.
Gold. According to my mate, ChatGPT, industry accounting for 7 to 10% of annual gold demand, jewelry 50%, and investment 40%. Most major reserve banks are significantly increasing their gold reserves, even Poland, exclamation point.
Yes.
Yet the demand for bullion and its increase in price doesn't seem to be reflected in the price of gold mining stock. Is this typical for every cycle gold bull markets, or is something else happening which is disrupting the correlation? Thanks in advance. That's from James.
Very good question. It's been frustrating. So it's usually that is the case, is that the spot price will move before the equities do. And that was the case back in the late 90s. So remember when gold got down to $297 an ounce. I remember, I recall that. It was just before it was during the whole TMT bubble thing. So what we've done here, we've taken the gold mining index, the Huey index in the US, which essentially is what GDX tracks, and the spot price of gold, index it to 100 as of, start of 1999. Wow. That's a long time ago. Anyway, you can see there that even though gold had gone sort of sideways and started ticking up, gold miners had done very, very poorly come, end of 2000. It was like, that was a big drop there. So yeah, there's leads and lags. Look, if gold goes up materially like we think it will, it'll double, within 5 years, whatever, plus or minus. Gold miners will play catch up. We don't know what the crowd will do, but if the crowd starts becoming euphoric for gold, which is probably because inflation's gone mad, because oil has gone above $100 a barrel, so on and so forth. Yeah, maybe they'll get a passion towards gold stocks, just like they have towards, these Dogecoin and Fartcoin and things like that. It is now. It goes in cycles. We just don't know, folks. We don't know how the market's going to react to it. But if you do look on a forward earnings estimates, gold miners are very, very historically very, very cheap, and it'll be even more so if the price of gold goes up materially. James, we appreciate your frustration. Live it and breathe it every day.